Good morning to all skin perfectionists. My name is Monika. I'm an aesthetic and beauty therapist and founder of Monika Hofmann Aesthetics in Houston. Our clinic offers various treatments to help you have healthy, glowing-looking skin. Today, I want to talk about my partner, aesthetic equipment company, Zemits UK, which offers a fantastic range of non-invasive technologies for every type of beauty business, whenever you're a solo practice, home-based beauty room, or aesthetic clinic. These products are going to take you wherever you need to go. The price is very affordable and the teams provides outstanding support. So I want to talk about my latest addition, Zemits OxiVelour, an oxygen therapy device today. If you're unfamiliar with oxygen therapy, it's a collagen building and cell rejuvenation treatment and excellent for your acne patients. Overall, it's a very therapeutic treatment, so people fall asleep because they just feel like being relaxing spa at the same time, oxygenate your skin cells and improving your well-being overall. I offer this therapy after my facials, and my clients love it. So make sure you order your equipment from Zemits UK. Text me for my promo code and get your additional discount.